So what you've got at the top of the tile is an acorn, and you've got 2 leaves. And so that is signifying the Trinity. What you've then got with a butterfly is a representation of something which is a miracle in itself. It's the transformation of a creature that starts off on the ground as a lowly caterpillar, and then it goes into this incredibly mysterious process of chrysalis. And then out of this chrysalis, after a period of time, emerges this completely, utterly different creature. And so you've got this wonderful symbolism to represent the resurrection of Christ, Christ's crucifixion, Christ's period of time in the tomb, and then after a period of 3 days, you have the resurrection of Christ, and Christ is then in part of the air. On each wing, you've got 6 spots, and 6 is a significant number within the church. So you've got 6 days of creation and you rest on the Sabbath. But you also, when you observe Lent, you observe it for the 6 days of the week that you're working, and then you have a break on a Sunday. Between the butterfly and the 3 leaves, what you have here are a series of these little tiny crosses, and these are called cinquefoils. There is a little hidden square in the centre, and then there's a little square on each of the corners. Just those 5 little squares together as a cinquefoil, it's a crucifix, and it also represents the 5 wounds of Christ. They're in a series of 10, so when you look at an individual tile, 10 isn't a particularly significant number within the church. Morley is the only place where you can see it as the Maker's intended, which is you've got 4 laid out in a circle, or in a set of 4, and this circle then spans all the way round. And when you count those 10 4 times, you get 40, which is the 40 days in the wilderness for Christ. Christ then has to transfer across this barrier of 40 challenges. This is the significance of this tile. This image is a way of very, very simply conveying Christ's transformation through the resurrection into a creature that is of the heavens. That's what this is depicting.